Okay guys, we're here back at our flip. We're gonna take a look and see what they've got going on inside. Be sure to stick around. I'll show you my favorite thing so far that they've done, and then you wanna stay to the end because the basement is looking great. It's really gonna improve the value of this property. So, if you're looking to buy, sell, invest anywhere here in and around Baltimore, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you can stay current on everything that we have going on here, especially this flipping series. And if you wanna know anything about flipping or just finding the properties in general, be sure to put something in the comments and I'll be sure to reach out and send you my guide on that. All right, so let's go inside and take a look around.
Currently standing in one of our latest renovations. It's almost done. It doesn't look like that, but it is. And we want to talk about the couple of things that you should be looking for with your agent if you are looking for an investment property. First of all, you want an agent that understands the area that you want to invest in. So they should be telling you no a lot. It takes a lot of no's to get to the right investment property. If you have an agent that just wants to sell you something, probably not the investment property. Those numbers matter a lot. The second thing is going to be location. Where does this house sit in terms of the street, in terms of the neighborhood? How is that going to go for resale? And the third, probably most important, is what is the layout? We like to typically see at least 3 bedrooms being able to put in a house for resale. In your area, it might be different, but how is the layout of the house going to impact the sale when you go to sell it? Those 3 things are the most important to look at, which is the pricing and making sure you're buying right to begin with, location within a neighborhood, and then layout of the house, especially things that you can't change. If you get those 3 right, you probably have a winner.
Number one question we get all the time is, how expensive do I need to go with the finishes in my investment property? Well, the question is, are you going to be living in it or are you not going to be living in it? That's always the first question I ask people, because they tend to lean to the side of, I'm gonna make this as extravagant and as gorgeous as I possibly can, but you're not living in it. So that doesn't make any sense. So the idea is to think about, what is the most affordable option that I can put in here while still maintaining a high level of quality so that somebody will wanna pay top dollar for this rental property. All right, we're here in the flip. They're redoing all the drywall right now, cleaning up all the floors, starting on the bathroom. So let's take a look and see what we've got going. So we walk in the front door here. Got all new windows, which is really nice, and you can start to see how the drywall is being done. This is the front room, which it looks really nice. I had this terrible paneling before and terrible floor, obviously. And then we got another door here. We go in. As you can see, the drywall looks so much better. Windows look so much better. We did have hardwoods underneath here, which is really nice. So we get to keep those, hopefully, as much as possible. As you can see, just what we're working with here. There was a chimney here from the first video, if you remember that. We got that removed so we can get more space here in the kitchen, which is a lot better. And then the bathroom, which is my favorite. This is probably the best part so far. You can remember how bad it was over here with the tub and everything. So we're putting all the bathtub and the shower over there on that side, and then our vanity and our toilet on this side. It's gonna look a lot better, and it's gonna give you more space in here instead of being so crammed in that back corner there with that toilet that used to be over there. Okay, and then over here, just drywall and everything, all new windows, etc. Take one more look. So obviously looking a lot better up here, especially on this cold day. It's getting ready to snow here at this time. And now let's take a look downstairs and see what we got there. This is where the final bedroom's going to be. Nice and large. Our bathroom over there. And then we're putting in the central air right now, getting that coated. It's a cold day here in Baltimore, but the guys are working hard. They got the heat pumping. Everything looks really good so far. That drywall looks great. Basement looks great. So hopefully next week we'll start to get the flooring in and start to build out the kitchen, which that'll be my favorite part of this whole entire video series. So be sure to check around. If you want to know anything that there is to know about investing in Baltimore, doing a flip, let me know something in the comments below, and I'll shoot you over essentially my blueprint to finding these properties so that you can be on the hunt for your next property here in Baltimore. All right, be sure to catch us next time on the next video, and we'll see you then.